Alright, let's get started. Rick the Tech Guy. Let's go ahead and add a network printer to a client's computer. In this case, they're using a MacBook, and I'm remoted into the computer. And as you can see on the right hand side, I am typing an on-screen prompt letting them know, Rick here, I'm going to go ahead and get the printer added for you. And the screen that you're viewing on the left, that is the client's computer. Again, I'm doing this remotely. I don't need to be there in person. In my case, I work at a school campus, so it's much easier doing everything remotely. Alright, so we'll go down to Settings, System Preferences, go to Printers and Scanners, and this is where we're going to add the printer, but we do need administrative rights. And being in IT, tech support, you will be issued administrative right credentials. That way, we manage the computers, and we can add to or from computers accordingly to our job restrictions. Alright, sometimes it takes several tries to get it. In my school, we personally have a few different admin logins, so now that I'm in, I'm going to go ahead and go to the network logo in the middle there because we are going to add a network printer. And we do have a list of printer URLs or DNS names for the printers. You can use an IP address as well. So I'll go ahead and put that in there. And you do want to make sure that you select the correct driver for the printer that you're using. In this case, I'm using the PCL driver for a Ricoh printer, which is a large industrial printer. And it's going to go ahead and get connected. Is it a duplexer? Yes, we want to check that. That way they can duplex print. And we'll go ahead and lock up the printer settings. So the printer's added. Let's go ahead and do a test print. That way the client can make sure that the printer is printing. So I'm going to open Notebook, or Notes I should say. Create a new note because we don't want to print the client's notes. We don't want to print nothing personal without asking them. So I just go ahead and do a new note. Type in test print. Go to File. Then I'm going to go down and select Print. And from there, I'm going to make sure that the printer I just added is the one that is selected, which it is. Go ahead and hit Print. And you can see on the bottom right, the spooler there. Since it went away quick, I already know that's a good sign. That means that the print did go through. If it didn't, that spooler will stay there for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that note that I created because I don't want to leave a mess on the client's computer. And then I'll go ahead and quit Notes. Close the printer settings. System preferences, quit. You don't want to leave a bunch of apps open. Alright, so I'm going to let the client know, hey, can you go check out the printer? Did it print? Did it work? Are we good? Are we not good? And let's see what they say. And it's funny, you can see them typing on the screen, which is pretty cool. Okay, so they went and checked the printer. And let's see if it was good or not. And the print was a success, so we are good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and let the client know, okay, that's great. Is there anything else I can help you with today? While I'm connected, might as well check if there's anything else they need. And the client will respond on screen. And in this case, that will do it. They do not need anything else. So we are good to go. So I will tell them you're welcome. Have a great weekend since it is a Friday. But yeah, and we are done. And I will let them know also that I'm disconnecting from their computer. And we're all set. That's how you add a network printer.